The Lumad people of Mindanao are known for their colorful tradition and rich culture. One of the most beautiful parts of their heritage is their traditional clothing, which reflects their identity and artistry. History of Lumad Attire. Lumad clothing is handwoven using traditional patterns that have been passed down for generations. Each design tells a story about nature, bravery, and community. The bright colors represent joy, life, and their deep connection to the when it's warm and by warm. These traditional clothes are worn during festivals, ritual, and cultural gatherings. Men wear a colorful bado and sawal, while women wear a tangkulo, bado, and tapis. Each lumad tribe such as the Manubu or Bagubu has unique designs and weaving style. Symbolism and culture meaning. The patterns and color are not just decoration. Red symbolizes courage, yellow stands for peace, and black represent the struggles of the community. Wearing this attire is a way of honoring their ancestors and expressing pride in their heritage. The Lumad attire is more than clothing, it is a symbol of identity and unity. Preserving this tradition keeps the Lumad spirit alive for future generations.